Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3. Movers Cheap Cresaptown local and long-distance movers near me. With 3 men and a truck, you get more than transporting your things from one place to other. We offer every service to make your relocating stress-free and more enjoyable. We offer everything from supplying packing materials to packing and unpacking services for your long-distance move. We are punctual with our services without any cancellations or rescheduling. You will find us on your doors at the scheduled time and day. We encourage open communication throughout the completion of your moving process. You can contact us anytime to know any details. We are entrusted to complete our responsibilities in a careful and organized manner. Our moving company is licensed and insured. We are equipped with latest tools and technologies for every type of move. Our local movers are experts in streamlining your moving process. Whether your move is commercial or residential, from packing your things, moving everything to unpack your boxes, our movers will accomplish everything in just one day. We'll set you free to enjoy your new space way faster than you've anticipated. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cresaptown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.